Kitty, Ling Ling, and Nora shared the cost of a present. 25% of Kitty's share was $18 more than 60% of Ling Ling's share. Nora paid 25% of what Kitty had paid. Ling Ling paid $28 more than Nora for the present. Okay, pause. This is already confusing enough. Do not bother going to the question first. Try to understand this logic before you even go down to the question. Now, they said that 25% of Kitty's share was $18 more than 60% of Ling Ling's share. Then they said that Nora paid 25% of what Kitty had paid. I'm going to draw Kitty first, because from these two statements, it seems as if Kitty paid the most. So let's just go ahead and draw Kitty. So for Kitty, it will be a long bar. And then since they said that Nora paid 25% of what Kitty had paid, right? I'm going to put here, okay, I'm going to split all of them into 25%. So this is 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. And we know that Nora paid 25% of what Kitty had paid. So Nora, remember your starting line? Nora paid 25% as well. Okay, now after we have done this, then we have done this, then I'm going to do the next portion. They say that 25% of Kitty's share, see 25 of Kitty's share, isn't it Nora? Because Nora paid 25% of Kitty's share, right? So 25% of Kitty's share, I'll just look at it as Nora. So I'll just say that Nora's share was $18 more than 60% of Ling Ling's share. And then they say that Ling Ling paid $28 more than Nora, which means that I do not know how long my bar for Ling Ling need to be. I only need to know that for Ling Ling, it needs to be a longer bar than Nora. So I'm just going to draw a longer bar than Nora, maybe about here. Now, they said that Ling Ling paid $28 more than Nora, which means that the difference between this bar and this bar, this bar and this bar, is 28. So I'm just going to draw a comparison over here, and then this would be $28. Then they said that this 25% was $18 more than 60%. So which means that 60% probably around here. And the difference between them is $18. Sorry. Now, could you tell that because this one is 60%, this entire thing is 40%? And this 40% is made out of this $18 as well as the $28. So this is actually the magic of drawing a model. Because if without a model, there is no way you can tell that 40% of Ling Ling's share is equivalent to this $18 plus $28. Now, I can put 40% of Ling Ling, arrow, $18 plus $28. And this will give us $46. Then they ask for how much did Ling Ling pay for the present, which means that they want to find out this entire thing, right? So I'm going to put a question mark over here. Okay. So since 40% of Ling Ling is $46, I can find 100%. And then as per our usual, we just take this divided by this, multiply by this. 46 divided by 40, multiply by 100. And that will give us, okay, so through this figure in the calculator, let's see what do we get. 46 divided by 40, multiply by 100, giving us, so Ling Ling paid $115. Next, they ask for how much more did Kitty pay for the present than Nora. In order to find out how much more, let's try to figure out how much did Kitty pay. Since for Ling Ling's share is 115, right? And they said that Ling Ling paid $28 more than Nora. We can then find Nora, right? Because Nora will just be Ling Ling minus 28, because Ling Ling paid $28 more than Nora. So for Nora, it will be 115 minus $28. And throw that in the calculator, you're gonna get 87, probably, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, $87. So Nora paid $87, and Kitty paid how much? Since Nora paid 25% of what Kitty paid, Kitty would have paid, okay, so Kitty, you take $87 divide by 25%, multiply by 100% to find out how much Kitty paid. So $87 divided by 25 multiplied by 100, and that will give us, wow, that's a lot of money, $348. So Kitty paid $348, Nora paid $87, Ling Ling paid $115. To answer the question, they said how much more did Kitty pay for the present than Nora? Simply take Kitty minus Nora. Oops, sorry, this is not part A, part B. My bad. So to answer the question, we just take 348 minus Nora, $87, and that will give us 348 minus 87, 261. This is actually how to get the answer. Now, why sometimes I use like units in my working, even though in my previous video I told you that there's no need, right? It is for your sake. It's for you to understand. Because sometimes there's percentage, sometimes there's dollars, so I rather just let you all know. But in your own working, in the examination, there's no need to write the units for your working. Only need to write the units for the final answer. Alright, done.